Hello everyone, today we will show you how to properly install an ECU tuner. Firstly, on the Patreon website, open the Collections tab and scroll all the way down to find the folder labeled ECU Tuner Pro Cars. Open this folder and download the vehicles that you want. Once you have downloaded the car, open the Content Manager and use your mouse to drag and drop the .zip file of the car into the Content Manager. Click on the green arrow icon and press Install. Now, go ahead and download the ECU Tuner from the Patreon page. On the Collections tab, click on either the ECU Tuner Pro or ECU Tuner Pro Advanced folder, depending on what level of membership you have on Patreon. Then proceed to download the latest version. At this point, extract the contents of the ECU Tuner.zip file using WinRAR. Following that step, navigate to the extracted folder and execute the install ECU Tuner bat file. Select your root Assetto Corsa installation directory when prompted. Finally, press any key to complete the installation process. You have successfully installed the ECU Tuner along with ECU Tuner Pro Cars in Assetto Corsa. Thank you for watching.